Hello! Today we're thrilled to introduce our code search and replace feature. First off, the code search feature allows you to search for anything in your data project: label, field definition, comment, etc. For example, I'm looking for some specific dashboards, which, if my memory serves right, should have the word sales in their labels. So I'll go ahead and navigate to this code search tab. I can then type in this filter by dashboard, then the said keyword. From the results menu here, I can see all the dashboards containing sales. I can also preview those snippets of code in each file. To even further narrow it down, I'll also add this owner filter. And that's it. I've finally arrived to the particular pieces of code I'm looking for. Pro tip: there are many other filter options that you can see in this suggestion list, which will surely prove useful during your searches. Now that you know what code search is, we can check out the replace capability as well. I have an example where I've been using a demo dataset to develop my dashboards. However, now that the dashboards are ready, I want to plug them to the actual production dataset instead. And just thinking about scrolling through the dashboards and editing them one by one already wears me out. That's where code search and replace come in. So I'll start with finding which dashboards are using my demo dataset. The results menu should show all the references I need, which is kind of like a lineage tracing view of the dataset. You can also see the total number of results as well. From there, I can toggle to show the replace option here. I'll then go ahead and fill my production dataset for this mass refactoring. You can preview what the replacement will look like in this results menu. Now, Holistic supports replacing all the below results, or only replacing in a particular file. Let's try replacing in a file first. As you can see in the dashboard definition, we've successfully switched to the production dataset. Now let's try the option to replace all below results. After doing a quick scan, I noticed there might be some lookalike results that are actually irrelevant. This can easily be dealt with, as I can click on this Dismiss button. It will not only hide these irrelevant results, but also make sure they are not affected by the replace operation. Though, when there are many results that you don't want to replace, it's best to narrow the search further with options such as match whole word. Now that everything looks ready, I'll go ahead and click Replace All. Let's check out the results. As you can see here, my demo dataset has been replaced by the production dataset everywhere. That's it. Happy search and replace.